Hello, students. Welcome back to this session. That is session number 28. So, in this session, we are going to discuss that the preparation of balance sheets in a vertical form as per Companies Act of 2013. Let's go through that problem. Here, from the following information relating to Amba Limited, prepare a balance sheet as on 31st March 2016 in the prescribed form. So the debit balance. Fixed assets 75 lakh, investment 3 lakh 75,000, debtors 20 lakh 70,000, loans and advances 7 lakh 95,000, the miscellaneous expenditure of 90,000, profit and loss account, the loss balance of 6 lakh, goodwill 4 lakh 50,000, closing stock of rupees 21 lakh, and cash at bank 5 lakh 10,000. So, there are credit balances there, and the share capital, equity share of rupees 10 each, 15 lakh, preference share of rupees 100 each, 12 lakh, security premium 12 lakh, secured loan 27 lakh, bills payable 4 lakh 50,000, capital reserves 48 lakh, unsecured loans 4 lakh 65,000, creditors 18 lakh 75,000, and provision for taxation is 3 lakh. So before going to preparation of balance sheet, let's go for that. Calculate the notes annexed to balance sheet. Annexed to balance sheet ಇದನ್ನ calculate ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So here that note number, particulars, and amount in rupees. So another note number 1, that is a share capital, equity shares of rupees 10, 15 lakh, preference share of rupees 100, 12 lakh, the total is 27 lakh. Note number 2, reserves and surplus, that's security premium 12 lakh, capital reserve 48 lakh, and from that less profit and loss account, loss balance of 6 lakh. Here that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 54 lakh rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Number 3, long-term borrowings under that secured loan 27 lakh, unsecured loan 4 lakh 65,000. The total is 31 lakh 65,000. And the note number 4, deferred tax liability. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಲ್. ಅದರ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಲೈಬಿಲಿಟಿ ನೋಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 6, ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಪ್ರಾವಿಷನ್, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ನಿಲ್. ನೋಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 7, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬಾರೋಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ನಿಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. And then note number 8, trade payable, creditors of 18 lakh 75,000 and bills payable 4 lakh 50,000. Total is 23 lakh 25,000. And note number 9, other current liability, adu kuda nil. Short term provision, under that provision for taxation. So taxation only 3 lakh rupees ide. And then 11, fixed assets, under that assets, fixed assets 75 lakh, goodwill 4 lakh 50,000. The total is 79 lakh 50,000. And note number 12, non-current investment, under that investments consist of rupees 3 lakh 75,000. Note number 13, deferred tax assets. So the nil agide information ಏನilla. Note number 14, long-term loans and advances, ಅದು ಕೂಡ nil. Note number 15, other non-current assets, ಅದು ಕೂಡ nil. And 16, current investments, ಅದು ಕೂಡ nil. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ informations ಇಲ್ಲ. And note number 17, inventories. In inventories, there is a closing stock of rupees 21 lakh. And note number 18, trade receivables, under that debtors 20 lakh 70,000. Note number 19, cash and cash equivalent of rupees, then the cash and bank balance of rupees 5 lakh 10,000. And note number 20, short term loans and advances, under that loans and advances of rupees 7 lakh 95,000. Note number 21 is other current assets. The other current assets ನಮಗೆ miscellaneous expenditures ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ 90,000 rupees, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಅದರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನೋಟ್ ಅನೆಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ದ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಂಬಾ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ balance sheet as at 31st 3 2016. That particulars, note number, figure for the current reporting period. That particular in the balance sheet consists of two parts, and the first part is equity and liability, the second part is assets. That first part, equity and liability, there is a first one of shareholders fund. Shareholders fund is presented as follow, under that A, share capital, that is note number 1, calculate ಮಾಡಿದ note number 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, so that is 27 lakh. And second B, reserves and surplus, note number 2, 54 lakh. See, money received against share warrant, okay, information illa, nil anta present ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. And 2, non-current liability, under that non-current liability, long-term borrowings, that presented in note number 3, 31 lakh 65,000. B, deferred tax liability, note number 4, nil. C, other long-term liabilities, that is presented in note number 5, that is nil. D, long-term provision, note number 6, nil. And the third one under equity and liabilities, current liability. Under the current liability, the first one is short-term borrowings, calculated in note number 7, that is nil. And B, trade payables, that is calculated under note number 8, 23,25,000. C, other current liability, note number 9, nil. And D, short-term provision, note number 10, that is 3 lakh. The total of from note number 1 to 10, that is 1,38,90,000. So that is called as total of liabilities. And coming to the second part of that balance sheet, that is assets. Under that assets, the first one is non-current assets. Non-current assets consist of following: the fixed asset that calculated in note number 11, 79,50,000. B, non-current investment calculated in note number 12, 3,75,000. And C, deferred tax assets, note number 13, nil. D, long-term loans and advances, note number 14, nil. And E, other non-current assets, note number 15, nil. And the second one under the assets is current assets. The current assets consist of following: that is A, current investments, note number 16, nil. B, inventories, note number 17, 21 lakh. C, trade receivable, note number 18, 20 lakh 70,000. D, cash and cash equivalent, note number 19, 5 lakh 10,000. E, short-term loans and advances, note number 20, that is 7 lakh 95,000. And F, other current assets, note number 21, that is amount of is 90,000. Total of these things is 1,38,90,000, 1 crore 38 lakh 90,000. That is called as total of assets. So like that, we are going to present things which are calculated under note annexed to balance sheet. That should be presented in face of balance sheet. So shall we move on to that other problem? I prepare a balance sheet in vertical from Arun Limited as on 31st March 2018. Here that the balance sheet consists of 50,000 equity share of rupees. Trial balance, I prepare a balance sheet with help of this trial balance. It consists of 50,000 equity share of rupees 10 each, 5 lakh, 4,000 preference share of rupees 100 each, 4 lakh, equity, security premium 4 lakh, and general reserve 16 lakh, secured loan 9 lakh, unsecured loan 1 lakh 65,000. And fixed assets of rupees 25 lakh, and goodwill 1 lakh 30,000, and investments of rupees 1 lakh 25,000. Closing stocks 7 lakh, sundry debtors 7 lakh 10,000. Cash at bank 1 lakh 70,000, loans and advances 2 lakh 65,000. The creditors of 6 lakh 25,000, bills payable of rupees 1 lakh 50,000, and provision for taxation is 1 lakh. That miscellaneous expenditure of 30,000, and profit and loss account loss balance of 2 lakh. And additional information, they consist of depreciation on fixed assets rupees 3 lakh, and provision for doubtful debts is 20,000. So with the above information and additional information, trial balance and additional information, you should prepare a balance sheet. So before that preparation of balance sheet, like that in the previous problem, you have to prepare note annexed to balance sheet. So that note annexed to balance sheet particulars, it is note number particular amount in rupees. Note number 1, that is share capital, 50,000 equity share of rupees 10, 5 lakh, and 4,000 preference share of rupees 100, 4 lakh. The total is 9 lakh. And the note number 2, reserves and surplus, under that security premium 4 lakh, and general reserve 16 lakh. The profit and loss account of loss balance 2 lakh. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. From that less depreciation 3,000, reserve for bad debts 30,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ 5,30,000. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸರ್ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಿಸರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 4 lakh plus 16 lakh 20 lakh minus 5,30,000, that is 14 lakh 70,000. And third one, note number 3, long-term borrowings nil. Note number 4, deferred tax liability, ಅದು ಕೂಡ nil ಇದೆ, ಅದರ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. Note number 5, other long-term liabilities, ಅದು ಕೂಡ nil ಇದೆ. Note number 6, long-term provision, ಅದು ಕೂಡ nil. Note number 7, short-term borrowings nil. And note number 8, trade payables. That note trade payable consists of creditors of rupees 6,25,000 and bills payable of 1,50,000. The total is 7,75,000. 9th one, other current liability nil. And 10th one, short-term provision. Under the short-term provision for taxation is 1 lakh. And note number 11, fixed assets. Under that assets of rupees 25 lakh. From that less depreciation 3 lakh. Remaining balance is 22 lakh. And the goodwill is of 1,30,000. Total is 23 lakh 30,000. Note number 12, non-current investment. Under that investment of rupees 1,25,000. Number 13, deferred tax assets nil. Note number 14, long-term loans and advances nil. Note number 15, other non-current assets nil. And 16 current investments nil, and 17 inventories. Here that inventory consists of closing stock of rupees 7 lakh. And note number 18, trade receivable. Under the trade receivable, debtors 7 lakh 10,000. From that debtors less RBD 20,000. Remaining balance is 6 lakh 90,000. And note number 19, cash and cash equivalent. Here the cash balance of 1 lakh 70,000. Note number 20, short-term loans and advances. Now that loans and advances of rupees 2 lakh 65,000. And note number 21, other current assets. Here that other current asset consists of miscellaneous expenditure of rupees 30,000. So like that, calculation were made here that the notes annexed to balance sheet should be presented in face of balance sheet like that. The books of Varun Limited balance sheet as at 31st/3/2018. Particulars, note number, figures for the current reporting period. Under the balance sheet, there are two headings. The first one is equity and liability. The second part is assets. Under that equity and liability, the first one is shareholders fund. Under that shareholders fund, share capital, note number 1, 9 lakh. B, reserves and surplus, note number 2, 14 lakh 70,000. C, money received against share warrant, nil. And the second one, the non-current liability. Under that A, long-term borrowings, note number 3, 10 lakh 55,000. B, deferred tax liability, note number 4, nil. And C, other long-term liability, note number 5, nil. And D, long-term provision, note number 6, nil. Third one under equity and liability, that is current liability. Under that A, short-term borrowings, note number 7, nil. B, trade payable, note number 8, 7 lakh 75,000. C, other current liability, note number 9, nil. And D, short-term provision, note number 10, 1 lakh. The total of that is note number 1 to 10 is 43 lakh. That is called as total of liabilities. Coming to that second part of balance sheet, that is assets. That assets, the first one is non-current assets. Non-current assets consist of following, that is under that fixed assets that presented in note number 11, 23 lakh 30,000. B, non-current investments, note number 12, 1 lakh 25,000. C, deferred tax assets, note number 13, nil. D, long-term loans and advances, note number 14, nil. And E, other non-current assets, 15, nil. Second part under that assets is current assets. Under the current assets, first one is current investments, note number 16, nil. B, inventory, note number 17, 7 lakh. C, trade receivable, note number 18, 6 lakh 90,000. D, cash and cash equivalent, note number 19, 1 lakh 70,000. And E, short-term loans and advances, note number 20, 2 lakh 65,000. And F, other current assets, note number 21, that is 30,000. The total of these things, that is 11 to 21, is 43 lakh, is called as total of assets. Like that, it should be presented in vertical form of balance sheet. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.